You're a pirate, Harry. Right. This is a demo, so we're not doing the usual intro. We're getting straight into it. We're going to look at some Unreal View modes, and we're going to look at some geometry. This is a demo, so it's just a quick look at. I love the game so far. I have about 10 hours on it. It just plays very nice. It looks great. Kind of reminds me of, if you ever played that MMO New World, reminds me of that. So let's do a check, our usual check. So if you've not seen these videos before, this is going to be a bit of a shorter video because it is a demo. We'll look at the reflection rays, we'll look at the albedos, and we'll look at geometry. So let's quickly have a look. So we do r.visualize. I think it's r.lumen.visualize 8. So if you watch the Hellers video that came out very recently, you notice that brightness-wise, this is a surface cache view, so it's blurry. But imagine this being high res, and you can see the brightness levels, right? The brightness levels are generally pretty decent. As you can see, overall, it's a lot brighter. Yes, this little section of terrain here. I mean, what is this? I think it's fine because the grass, which isn't rendering in this view, I think, is underneath it. But yeah, that grass underneath it, underneath that prop grass, is a bit too low. And you can kind of see that when you're playing in the game as well. The trees look great, and look how nice those trees render, and then look how bright their albedos are. This is what I'm saying. Bright neutral albedos are the best for lighting. So yeah, that ground's a bit dark. The beach is good. Let's go look at the docks over here. Again, this feels decent. I'm not getting flagged up super hard for albedo brightness being off. So yeah, this is an easy win. Let's go look at some houses that my buddies made. Again, this feels, from what I can see on the surface cache, it feels bright. You can see that it's quite bright. That feels pretty good. But you can see a very stark difference of that little grass texture they're using underneath the vertex blend. But otherwise, albedos feel pretty good, at least at the moment. Let's look at reflection rays. Which one was that again? Reflection rays are 7. Reflection rays look purposeful. So whenever you hear me say they look purposeful, if I was seeing red everywhere at once, it would mean that the roughnesses are too shiny and a bit too much. This looks pretty purposeful. Again, we're only looking at a lot of stone and wood, so it's hard to tell if it is going to be intentional or not. But so far, the water is obviously being used by Lumen because it's, almost like 0. Reflective. Here are some points though. So there's some little red dashes on the character and on this little wood thing here. So what is going on there? Okay, so it's just part of the texture. So yeah, what I would do is, again, every little helps. I'd make sure that no red is coming through on here. Again, just clamp a little bit more of your roughness. 99% of this asset, again, it's doing well. You just got tiny bits of red. But if you start optimizing that, you will start to save across the board. Like all of this red here on these wooden props. Well, that's got metal. That's a metal trim, so that could be acceptable, actually. Let's see how much. Yeah, the bits that are on the wood, no. But the bits on the metal, I get it. But yeah, most of this is not showing up red. Just little speckles, at least, on the wood bits, which I would... You just move the levels a tiny bit to get this view looking clean. But yeah, this view looks great otherwise. These shells have got a very low roughness. Again, would it need that? Can that be what value are they using actually? Usually you can see the value that they are using. I'm going to assume 0.2, 0.3, but yeah, just moving that up a little bit would be good. Look at albedos one more time. I don't want to run too far into the forest because, man, the boars in this game. So yeah, just a bit dark on the terrain floor there, but overall, pretty solid. Let's look at geometry. Let's see what they're doing with geometry. So let's enable display depth, and then monochrome. So this is interesting. Yeah, look at this. This is what I call that virtualized workflow, right? This used to be, a plane with a parallax on. Now you're getting your full low poly triangulated rock with the texture on top. Will just make it pop. It's interesting that you have like a juxtaposition of, you've got this sort of displaced nanite mesh that's either come from a sculpt or a height map and then deformed into geo. And you have your classical wooden beams. But again, it's a beta. So, maybe they will do a pass on this and give it a bit of a sculpt and decimate it to level 1 so it matches the rest. It's interesting that they're not using it on the terrain. I'm sure there's a good reason. But yeah, the terrain is just your pretty classical low poly terrain with lots of shaders on. God, on this house, every leaf is a mesh. That's cool. Yeah, look at the amount of poly detail. On these supports, each one of these is a mesh. Let's just come out of this so you can see what we're working with. And it looks great when it's each a mesh, but all of those are meshes. Same with the roof. We look at this, just look at it textured for a moment. That roof looks great. Let's go in and let's do it again. Yeah, look at that. Looks great. Yeah, that roof has a lot of detail in. And that's why it looks so good. Let's go into here. Even the floor. These are all triangles that are popping up. That's it. This is run the cutting edge of workflows with this virtualized geo stuff, right? And then you got your normal bench just chilling. Yeah, you definitely see this virtualized workflow really coming into its own when you see the geo with the materials on it and all that sort of stuff. Let's look at the trees. Yeah, as I thought, this is all geo. Really good stuff. Oh, the foliage actually. Now, if you watched the video came out last week, Hell is Us, they were using alpha geo, but then it looked like they were using nanite geo for hard surface because the whole nanite with foliage thing has only been as of the last few months, right? But this game is fresh off the cuff. It's in beta. So when you look in this view, you look at the geo, that's all geo. None of this is alpha mapped foliage. Let's have a look at it proper. Yeah, I like how this game looks. It reminds me of New World, but yeah, all this being geo, it just looks great. Let's look at these stone ruins before we close up this shop. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you like the normal map view or the monochrome view. I found the monochrome view is quite nice for really seeing what's going on. But if you prefer this view where you can see the tangents as well, it can be a bit bright, a bit scary. But this is the case of it's not like a tiling texture. It's just each block is sculpted. And, usually in the old workflows, we'd sculpt a rock, bake it to a texture. But yeah, you could just use it as it is and put some material laying on it. Yeah, all that foliage. Jesus. Oh man, so good. I wonder if any of the animals get picked up on this. I don't think so. Oh, but I don't want to get killed because this game is hard, even unbalanced. Let's see if we can find like a boar or something before we finish up. But yeah, all that detail. Whoa, jeez. Yeah, if we can't find anything, yeah, the terrain being just normal low poly, yeah, that's funny. I think that you got so much stuff layered on it, it makes sense, right? So, but yeah, so this is a cutting edge game that's on the cusp of coming out this year, and this is what it looks like at the moment. It may change. I'm not going to judge it too harshly because it looks great and it's still in beta. But this is, oh shit! Oh my god! Wait, is all that third geo, or is it just a renderer? Wow. Hi, Polly boy. Oh, shit. Right, so that's that. Hopefully that's been insightful of the review. Just breaking it down and having a look. Stay tuned for the main series, as per usual, with the intros and whatnot. We looked at Hellas last time. But now I'm going to go back to sailing around and doing some piracy. But yeah, hope this helps. Peace.